In front of me is POCO M6 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off its location. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down to access Location. Then click on this switcher next to Location Access. And to disable location, choose Close in the pop-up. To switch it on, hit Turn on Location. As you can see, my switcher is gray. That means that location is off, so to turn it back on, click on the same one. You can also go into Tab menu and look for Location shortcut. Then tap on it to manage it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!